Do you know what types of W-2 form is? If you don't know, then check the I button. Then watch today's video, because in today's video we will discuss how you can get W-2 from InJob. So let's get started. To obtain a W-2 form from an old job in the USA, you can follow these steps. Contact your former employer. Start by reaching out to your former employer. This is typically the easiest and most direct way to get your W-2. Contact the human resources or payroll department of your former employer. They should be able to assist you in retrieving your W-2. Check your mail. Many employers send out W-2 forms to former employees via postal mail. Keep an eye on your mailbox, as W-2s are typically mailed out by January 31st of each year for the previous tax year. Access an online employee portal. Some employers provide access to W-2 forms through an online employee portal or a third-party payroll service. If you had access to such a portal during your employment, you may be able to download and print your W-2 from there. Contact the payroll service provider. If your former employer uses a payroll service provider, they may be able to assist you in obtaining a copy of your W-2. Check with your former employer for details on the payroll service they use. IRS assistance. If you've tried contacting your former employer and have not received your W-2 by mid-February, you can contact the IRS for assistance. They will send a letter to your employer requesting the missing W-2. You can reach the IRS at 1-800-829-1040. File Form 4852. If you're unable to obtain your W-2 by the tax filing deadline, you can use IRS Form 4852. Substitute for Form W-2, Wage and Tax Statement. This form allows you to estimate your earnings and taxes withheld. You'll need to attach this form to your tax return. File your taxes. Even if you don't have your W-2, you should still file your taxes on time. Use the information you have available, and if necessary, make adjustments once you receive your W-2 or resolve the issue with the IRS. Remember that it's crucial to keep your contact information up to date with your former employers to ensure you receive your W-2 in a timely manner. Additionally, if you have moved since leaving the job, inform both your former employer and the Postal Service to ensure your W-2 reaches you at your current address.